In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a new account in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to set things up so your reporting is clean and accurate. First, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. Log into your Xero account if you're not already signed in. You'll need access to the organization where you want to add the new account. Once you're on the main Xero dashboard, look along the top of the screen for the main menu. At the top, click on the tab labeled Accounting. This is where Xero keeps all of the tools related to your financial records. When the accounting menu opens, you'll see a few different options, but for this video, we're focusing on your list of accounts. From that accounting menu, click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is simply the full list of all the accounts your organization uses: assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and so on. This is the backbone of your bookkeeping in Xero, so adding a new account here lets you track a new type of transaction properly. On the Chart of Accounts page, look for a button that says Add Account and click it. This opens a form where you'll set up the details for your new account, and we're going to walk through each field so you know exactly what to enter and why it matters. The first thing to choose is the account type. This tells Xero how to treat the account in your reports. For example, you might choose an expense account for a new type of cost you want to track, an income account for a new revenue stream, or an asset account if you're adding something your business owns. Take a moment to pick the option that best matches what this account will be used for. If you're not sure, think about where you'd expect to see it on your profit and loss or balance sheet. Next, you'll see a field to enter a code. The account code is usually a short number that helps you organize and quickly find accounts later. Many businesses follow a numbering pattern like all income accounts starting with 2,000 or all expense accounts starting with 6,000. Try to keep your new code consistent with the pattern already used in your existing chart of accounts. After the code, enter a clear descriptive name for the account. This is what you'll see in drop-down lists and reports. So make it specific enough that anyone in your organization can understand what should be recorded there. Then enter a description. This field is optional in many setups, but it's very helpful. Use it to explain the purpose of the account or to clarify the kinds of transactions that should go into it. That extra detail can reduce mistakes later, especially if multiple people work in Xero. Now, select the appropriate tax setting for this account. You'll choose a tax rate that matches how this type of transaction should be treated for sales tax or VAT in your country. If you're unsure, check with your accountant or follow the same tax rate that similar existing accounts are using. You'll also see a few optional checkboxes. You can choose to show this account on the dashboard watch list if you want to keep a close eye on it. You can allow it to show in expense claims if employees will be coding expenses to this account, and you can enable payments to this account if it will be used for things like bank or payment accounts. Only tick the options that are relevant to how you actually plan to use this account so your dashboard and lists stay tidy. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the setup, click Save. Xero will add your new account to the chart of accounts, and from now on you'll be able to select it when entering transactions and running reports.